severe storm hit Baltic August 8, 2023. A strong storm bringing torrential rains and hurricane-force winds has caused damage in northern Europe and the Baltic region, and in some places authorities have declared a state of alert. In Sweden, the storm has caused damage, road collapses, air traffic delays, and forced the cancellation of a music festival. Swedish authorities have issued red alerts in several locations for the next 2 days after the storm began to lash the north of the country on Sunday night. The storm has also been uprooting trees in Denmark, although authorities have so far reported no traffic problems. Officers have warned that more trees will not withstand the storm and have advised those who have to leave their homes to drive carefully and avoid streets and roads through forests. In Norway, authorities have advised people to work from home, warning that the storm could be the strongest in 30 years. Torrential rains and hail also caused damage to buildings, and vehicles and winds have uprooted trees across the Baltic. In Lithuania, there was flooding in the streets of the capital, Vilnius, and in other cities hail broke car windows and buildings.
Tad tiešā reportāža no apguldes. Tā mums šeit izskatās. Autiņi.
Meanwhile, in Latvia, dangerous winds and falling trees closed the popular nature park in the town of Dobele and forced the evacuation of staff and visitors. The gardens of the Latvian Horticultural Institute in the city of Dobele were devastated by the storm. Dobele city officials reported that the roofs of several houses and buildings had been torn off and streets were blocked by fallen trees. Latvian authorities has asked government ministers to prepare a report on storm damage across the country. Estonian media reported that the storm hit the country's islands in the Baltic Sea first, dropping huge amounts of hail over the island of Saaremaa. The National Weather Service issued the highest level storm warning, and several covered parking lots in the capital Tallinn will allow free parking Monday night for everyone who wants to protect their car from a possible hailstorm.
Det är därför jag har hundarna. Jag tar ut i skogen och hittar älg. Har du aldrig sneglat på någon annan ras? Nej, men mamman är ju entusiast igen.
As of Monday afternoon, there were no reports of people injured by the storms. The inclement weather came after temperatures had reached 30 degrees Celsius on Sunday after a cool, rainy period. In Germany, weather services have warned that the storm could hit the coast over the North Sea and over the Baltic, and maritime traffic has been partially disrupted.